Look, the 9 to 5 era isn't just dying, it's being replaced. While most people are still arguing if AI is scary, a small group of digital entrepreneurs is quietly building six-figure empires from their living rooms. We're not talking about pennies from surveys. We're talking about scalable, automated wealth. Welcome to Future Money Lab. Today, I'm stripping away the hype and showing you 5 proven AI systems that are printing money in 2026. And the best part? You don't need to write a single line of code. Let's dive in. Method number 1, the AI-curated newsletter empire. In the US market, attention is the new gold. Advertisers are desperate to reach niche audiences, like AI enthusiasts or sustainable tech fans. But who has time to write a 2,000-word newsletter every day? You don't. Here's the blueprint. Use an AI tool like Perplexity to research the top 10 news stories in your niche. Then, feed those links into Gemini with a prompt to summarize these into a witty, 5-minute read. Post it on a platform like Beehiiv. Within 3 months, with just 1,000 subscribers, you can charge sponsors between $500 to $1,000 per cent. This isn't just a side hustle, it's a media asset. Method number 2, AI Micro-SaaS content. You don't need to be a software engineer anymore. In 2026, the real money is in solving boring problems using AI APIs. Imagine a simple tool that generates real estate listings or Amazon product descriptions instantly. The secret? You use AI to market the AI. Create short-form videos showing the problem versus solution on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. These micro tools can generate $2,000 to $5,000 in monthly recurring revenue. It's not about the code. It's about the automation of efficiency. Method number 3, high-ticket faceless channels. This isn't your average top 10 channel. We are talking about high CPM niches like wealth psychology or luxury tech. The workflow. Use AI to script 11 labs for a professional voiceover and pixels for visuals. The trick to avoid copyright? Layering. Never use a raw clip. Add filters, textures, and digital overlays. When the algorithm sees your unique editing style, it pushes your video to the moon. This is how you build a digital asset that pays you while you sleep. Method number 4, high-end prompt consulting. Companies in the US are desperate. They have the AI tools, but they don't know how to talk to them. They need prompt engineers to streamline their workflows. The strategy? You're not selling a prompt, you're selling time. One custom-built AI workflow for a law firm or a marketing agency can net you a $5,000 retainer. You become the AI architect for businesses that are still stuck in 2023. This is the highest leverage skill you can master right now. Method number 5, the digital goods factory. From AI-designed wall art to hyper-niche ebooks on how to prompt for Midjourney, the overhead is zero. The profit margin is 100%. The hack? Use AI to identify trending keywords on Etsy, then use AI to create the product. You are essentially turning data into dollars with zero physical inventory. The scale is unlimited because your store never closes. The window of opportunity in AI is wide open, but it won't stay that way forever. The difference between those who make it and those who don't is one thing: execution. Stop lurking, start building. If you want the full list of tools mentioned in this video, check the link in the description. Hit that subscribe button to join the Future Money Lab, because in this lab, we don't just predict the future, we profit from it. I'm your host, and I'll see you in the next one.